What's going on YouTube? Geosn right here. Today we have great news for those of you interested in iOS customization. Prism is coming for iOS, and it appears to be a tool for theming and tweaks on iOS 17 Plus without being jailbroken. It's developed by a couple of developers in the community, including BroccoDev, Lang Inspector, and many others. And this one is essentially a tool that would allow you to theme your icons and do whatever tweaks on iOS without being jailbroken or without using TrollStore. So since it doesn't require exploits of any kind, this doesn't get patched, well, at least not easily. And of course, you don't have to stay on a specific iOS version to never update again. Now, as you can see, there are a couple of screenshots in here with tweaks done with this particular tool, which is in development at the moment. And yeah, they're pretty interesting, including the dock player over there and the icons like this over here. Quite interesting, and it will be available soon. This is in development at the moment. They have a Twitter account, Prism iOS over here. So they said, quote, "We currently have two icon theming methods, the auto shortcut substantiating for iOS 18 and 18 Plus, and MDM profiles for iOS 16 Plus. And the number 3 is in development and is for iOS 17, never done before. They said in here that it may be the most powerful yet." This is actually quite interesting, considering that normally you wouldn't be able to theme properly your icons on iOS, especially before iOS 18. iOS 18 does add some customization options so that you can change the color tint of your icons, but that's really nothing major. Anyway, yes, this is currently in development. I wanted to let you know about it so that you can follow the progress of it closely, because this does seem to be in development for quite some time. And now they have a proper website and they seem to be making good progress. This is not similar to UI Haru, for example. This one requires TrollStore to be installed, so TrollStore compatible iOS version. And it's also not like Nugget. Nugget required the mobile gestalt file. You have to do some modifications, and it only works up to iOS 18.2 because it does use vulnerabilities in the background. While Prism doesn't require any of those because it doesn't use any vulnerabilities, as I mentioned. So you would be able to update your device while still using the customizations from Prism. It is quite interesting to see what it can do while still being confined by the sandbox and the iOS security features. Anyway, yeah, definitely keep in touch with them. Go ahead, do follow them to see the progress. And I will make videos once this gets released and I will showcase it on the channel. This video was brought to you by 8ksec. If you want to learn how to find your own iOS vulnerabilities, make your own jailbreaks and so on, you should definitely check out their iOS internals course. They do have it over here and it goes in depth about the kernel, the security features of iOS, as well as the sandbox and reverse engineering apps and stuff like that. Check it out in the link below. Thank you for watching. I'm Geosn. Peace out.